Everyone, Blake Sloan here. I have a brand new market update for you with last month's numbers. And this month we'll do a little bit different. We're going to use a 6-month rolling average. Why is that? Well, because the same month last year, remember September of last year, we had a huge thing, Hurricane Florence. And so that ultimately skewed the numbers tremendously. Right now, if you look at the overall numbers, we had a 62% increase in sales from month versus month, year versus year. And so we both know that's not true for the long term. That was just because we had the hurricane and could not close on properties during that month. Remember, we had to lead up to the hurricane with the whole week of flooding. And so a lot of closings got skewed and pushed to the next month. So we're using the overall 6-month rolling average to give you kind of a feel of the market. Still doing very, very, very well. So look at the 6-month rolling average of single family home sales. Sales are up 8% overall, which is awesome. Overall, you saw 3,276 homes sold, which is great news. And with that, we saw price increase as well. We saw a 5% increase in price overall. The median price for single-family resale homes is at $231,000. Here's a new stat that we'll add in for you. Price per square foot. That's a key number we use in some cases. Obviously, we're not Manhattan, but we can use that based on certain neighborhoods and obviously your zip code if we want to. Price per square foot was up 4.8% in the last 6 months. That shows you the overall trend is very good. The average price square foot right now, $131 even. And so the one key number I saw this month that is really the most important number of all is inventory. Right now, there's 5.1 months inventory. And so what's that mean? Anytime there's less than 6 months is a seller's market. Now, here's the key point. We've been tracking this since 2016 in January. This is only the 3rd time it's ever been that low. And so we actually got a match here. So in January of 2018, it got to the lowest ever at 4.9 months. In December of 18, we got to 5.1 months. And for the 3rd time ever it's ever been that low, right now it's once again at 5.1 months inventory. So what does that mean? As a home seller, you have a huge advantage right now. Sales are up 8%. Inventory is down to 5.1 months. Which is about a 2% drop from where it was last. And so what that means is you're seeing pressure on price, and there's a lot less competition for you going to this fall market. We have some time left before it gets into the holidays, and the last thing you're going to do is wait until everyone puts their house in the market after January 1st. Take advantage of the shortage. Take advantage of the super low interest rates. I think right now today is 3.70%, which is amazing right now. So if you're looking to move up, looking to downsize, take advantage of what's going on right now. Overall, into condo numbers. Condo sales over the last 6 months up 3.9% with 3,197 condo sales. So awesome stuff there. Again, we have over 3,000 home sales, over 3,000 condo sales the last 6 months. So if your property did not sell, it's not the market, right? It's the marketing in most cases, or it could be price, but most of the time it's really marketing. The key part here, price is up 5.8%, which is great. Median price $137,500, and the price per square foot for condos also up. It's up at $136 a square foot right now with a 5.4% increase in those prices. So the cool number here, right, price per square foot in homes, single family homes is up 4.8%. Price in condos up 5.4%. And so great news overall. The inventory for condos has been pretty flat. It's about 5 months of inventory. It was the same thing last month, but here's the thing. It's only the 4th time it's ever been that low since 2016. And so overall, the biggest piece of information that I use, that I'm going to really use to advise our clients, is looking at the supply and demand. Sales are up 8%. Inventory is down to one of the lowest we've seen in the past 4 years. Reach out, learn more. I guarantee you might have more equity in your property than you think you do, or there may be more demand from a buyer standpoint coming in. We're seeing a lot of multiple offers. We have one property this week. We have 3 different buyers with agents on our team on the same property. And so if you want to know more, reach out, give us a call. More than happy to serve you anyway. 843-808-SOLD. Also, you can always click the link here on the page and also in the email that we sent you to get instant online evaluation. Or you can always go to blakesloan.com. So anything you need, reach out to us. We'll see you in the next video.